this morning. Let's see what it looks like today. Here at Grand Teton National Park. Wow, nice and quiet. Surrounded by trees. Yeah, nice and calm and quiet. Looks like it's overcast right now. Yeah. Okay. It's about 8 a.m. right now. So it's kind of earlier than I normally get up. But I think I'm probably going to have breakfast right now and just take it easy for a little while. Okay, the plans for the day is we're going to be driving the Grand Teton Road. I don't know exactly what they call it, Grand Teton Loop or something, but it basically circles around in the park. So I'm going to be leaving in a little bit here. Got everything zipped up and it's set all here at camp. Kind of overcast right now and kind of drop here and there. But oh well, that's how it goes. We'll just take it as it goes. We'll roll with it. So we'll talk to you in a little bit. We're on our way in a little bit here.
Once you're on the tour, commentary will play automatically as you drive through the audio points, the arrow icons on the map. If you need any assistance, call our toll-free support group.
Here we go.
You'll find that number in the help menu. Have a fantastic time. Just ahead, take the turn to the west that's towards the mountains for a quick stop at Willow Flats Overlook. The stream and pond here create perfect grazing conditions, so it's a place where we might get lucky and see some wildlife. At the very least, we'll get another great photo op with the Teton Range.
Oh good, we actually can see the mountains. I was worried the clouds would completely block them out, but they're there.
Well, here's Willow Flats Overlook. The Willow Flats and the Grand Tetons as a backdrop. Beautiful. Take a look at that glacier. Okay, steady. I think I can do steadier than that. That's Grand Teton. There we go.
Okay, look. Do you still see the snow on the mountain?
Good. Now
That's Willow Flats there, and it's common to see wildlife there, like moose and stuff like that. Kind of thick in there, so kind of hard to see when they are there.
Charlie, what are you doing?
He's
The
posing for a
clouds,
picture.
beautiful.
You wanted a picture of Charlie by the mountains. There he is.
I know, but this poor guy's son got a picture. Hopefully he's too short.
Yeah, he's too short.
We're counting on his shortness.
Stand over with Doobie.
Charlie, over here.
With Doobie.
You might just need to adjust the middle. They send you a link. They're going to send you a, what do you call it? The Yellowstone sends you a link. That you checked out?
Jayden,你自己